Smart Life Within Reach 10-inch Android Kids Tablet. Large battery capacity, 8 hours of fun on a single charge, fully charged in 1.5 hours. I have a charging box and a Type-C charging cable. User manual. It comes with 32 gigabytes of RAM and a micro SD slot of up to 128 gigabytes. The micro SD card is not included. This tablet comes with a parental control system. Comes in a durable, kids-proof case made of silicone, carrying handle, and can be used as a stand. Has a dual camera, 2 MP front camera, 5 MP rear camera. HD touchscreen, power button, the charging port, headphone jack. I'm going to turn it on.